Line it up with the rib here. Got it. Secure the top first. Hitting the bolt. Stand clear. Shotcrete thickness looks good here. Okay, log that. Now check the torque on these bolts.
Main hydraulics show ready. Confirming cutter head alignment. Electrical systems checked. All systems green for launch.
Keep it moving, lads. Forklift ready on the left. Watch the spoil conveyor. Clear the path, segments coming down.
The bearing appears to be compromised. Document that. Let's tag this one for replacement. Verified. Moving to the next row.
Keep it steady. Mark the next bolt.
Drilling in now. Watch the spray.
Clear the area. Machine is moving. Line 6 is secure. Check the tension on duct 4. Water lines clear. Maintain the advance.
The preliminary data looks concerning. We need more samples from that depth. Adjust the angle and run a longer probe. The pressure is steady here. Let's start the pumps. Copy that. Pumps initiating. We're diverting it successfully. Keep it steady here. Tighten that clamp. Looks good. Let's move to the next one.
The permanent drainage channels are complete. Engage the pump stations. Check the protected electrical connections. Groundwater is under control.
Keep it steady. Pressure's dropping.
Looks good. Controlled collapse. Fans working. Dust is clearing. We made it. The geological strata matches the projection.
Check the moisture gradient against the samples.
Structural integrity is well within parameters for Phase 1. Verified. Moving to the next section.
Keep it slow on the right. Checking alignment. Stop. Adjust left, just a little. Ready to pump. The alignment looks... Next section. Flow rate is holding steady at 120 liters per minute. Looks good, no leaks detected. Verified, the system is fully operational. Lower it slowly, watch the marks. Hold it, right a bit. Clear, lower. Contact. Release clamps. Gauge reads 1435. Verified. Confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
Secure the bracket tightly, checking the torque. Wiring in green, white, and black. Power is tagged out, ready to close. Looks good, final check.
Airflow is stable at 12.5 meters per second. Confirmed, noted on log.
Flow is excellent, no backup. Pressure reading stable, velocity matches spec. Check covers are secured.
The rail alignment is within tolerance.
The lining segments are perfectly sealed.
Electrical continuity tests passed. Mechanical ventilation checks are complete. Scan complete on section 7. All measurements within tolerance. Excellent. Check the drainage next.
The humidity levels are right on target. Check the joints on this section. Confirmed geometry looks perfect.